Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how I make white soup, which in Akwa Ibom we call AFIA EFERE. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can make a simple and easiest white soup, and this white soup is going to taste so delicious. So don't go away. And this is my yam. So this is the size I'm using. So now I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. So you cut it into the small sizes so that it can easily get soft. So after you finish slicing, you wash your yam, then you cook it. So now I'm going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So guys, I'm going to check how the yam is cooking. Yeah, it is soft, as you can see. So when the yam is soft, you will really know. So I'm going to take it down now from the stove. So I'm going to cook my stockfish first, then we'll come back to it. So I'll leave it for about 5 minutes, then I'll come back to it. So guys, I'm going to check how the stockfish is cooking. So it's soft now. So what I need to do is to add my chicken. So I'm using tuna cube. So I'm going to put my salt. I'll put my pepper. So just stir this together. So cover it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to check how the chicken is cooking. This is perfect. So now I'm going to add my crayfish. Always remember, white soup or any soup without crayfish is not complete. So stir it together. So I will add my mackerel fish. This is smoked mackerel. So just pop in some mackerel inside. So I'm gonna stir it together. So I'm gonna let it cook for about 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna add my yam, the yam I blended. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna add it, just cut a little and throw inside. So with this yam, it will make this soup get thick. It will not be watery. So after I put the yam, I don't need to cover it again, okay? So I will just leave it and it keep on boiling. Then we'll come back to it. So guys, as you can see, all the yam has melted. You see, the soup is getting thicker. So guys, this is my white soup. In Akwa Ibom we call it AFIA EFERE. So this is how to make AFIA EFERE in Nigeria. So if you've not tried this way, please do so. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because I have a lot of video I'm going to upload on this channel. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share. Thank you and bye for now.